Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of setting a received photo as a group icon in WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and ensure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on a chat where the photo you want to set as a group icon is located. Locate the specific photo and tap on it to open it. Step 3. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 dots icon. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Set As. This will open additional options. Step 5. Tap on Group Icon, and then select the group where you want to set the photo as the icon. Step 6. Finally, tap on OK to save the changes and set the received photo as the group icon. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize the group icon in WhatsApp with the received photo. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy messaging and group icon editing.